This next stock is pure garbage, and I'm not even kidding. It's Waste Management, and this is one of the best long-term holdings that you could possibly invest in if you're looking for a stable company that performs well in both recessions and normal growth periods. Waste Management does exactly what it says on the tin. It handles garbage disposal for residential and commercial operations throughout the United States. And with its excellent management, it has excelled at this task for years and has demonstrated this by being one of the strongest stocks that I hold in my pandemic portfolio. Now, investing in a garbage company sounds like it would be kind of boring and even anti-ESG. But it's actually the opposite. Waste Management is regularly innovating and has recently started developing technology to reclaim the methane that is produced in garbage dumps as all of the garbage decays. And one of the other benefits is as growth returns to the economy, there's more building and construction, which makes Waste Management make even more money. So with that infrastructure bill that Biden and the rest of Congress passed last year, it's going to be huge for construction throughout the United States. And since that money hasn't even been distributed yet, we're talking about huge profits and potential gains for Waste Management. In addition to being a steady earner, Waste Management has a great yield, currently at 1.63%, which might sound a little small, but it has just rallied 15% in about a month off of its lows in October to where it is now, near its all-time high. This is definitely one of my long-term core holdings for my pandemic portfolio, but when you see it rally that much in about a month, that is a significant move, and Waste Management has reached overbought territory. Accordingly, it was time for me to take profits last week, with a sale that went through at $172.82 and sold a pretty substantial 28.92% of my position. Now, the reason for this is that Waste Management has regularly seen resistance at this price level, and it regularly sells off, going from 172 down to around 150. So I wanted to substantially reduce my position size. This sale locked in 54.15% gains on shares that I bought for $112.11 back on January 27th of 2021. The sale lowered my per share cost in an incredible 53.2%. down from $74.96 to where it is now at $35.08. If Waste Management continues to rally from here, I will take profits. My next profit-taking target is quite a bit higher than its all-time high, but it's below $200, which will provide key psychological resistance, with my next sell target at $199.49. However, I will waste no time adding back to the position, and I will add above the low that it saw recently if it sells off, with my next buy target at $150.32.